Are you bursting with creative energy? Well, I've found the perfect outlet, and that's making beautiful things with these mosaic tiles from LitMind. I'm Gina with WTI, and I have had so much fun putting together this mosaic pattern on this mirror frame. I got the crystal variety mix. These colors are so stunning. I love that there's a really nice array of different shades even within the color groups. So as you can see, I started with red, went to pink and orange, then yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I didn't even use all the tiles. I just love that there's so many different shapes to use too, so it gives a nice variety and interest to whatever piece you're making. The majority of the tiles have a flat surface on them, but then some of the other ones are slightly rounded or even multifaceted. I applied a thin layer of Well Bond glue to the surface of the frame as I was creating, and then afterward, I used grout in order to seal in between each of the pieces. I am beyond happy with how this turned out, and it's because of the amazing quality of the LitMind mosaics. I highly recommend all their products, and that's my point of view.